Let us discuss a question related to rolling motion. Rolling motion on rough horizontal surface. Consider a sphere of radius r and mass is capital M. Rolling on a rough horizontal surface as shown. Find the resultant velocity of the point P, which is at a distance r by 2, and this angle is given 30 degrees. Now, if you consider in rolling motion at any distance r, there is one velocity due to rotational motion r omega, there is one velocity due to translational motion, that is same as velocity of center of mass. So here what is the velocity of center of mass? They have given v. So the velocity of center of mass is v and the velocity due to rotational motion is r omega, and this angle is 30. Now this is 60, this is 30, then this is 60. So what is the angle between these two velocities? 60. Now there are two velocities, vectors at an angle 60. What is the resultant of two vectors? R square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, where a is v, one velocity, and b is r omega, that is r by 2 omega, r omega by 2. But velocity of center of mass is r omega, that is nothing but this is v by 2. Now the resultant of v and v by 2 at an angle 60 degrees. So r equal to under root v square plus v square by 4 plus 2v into v by 2 into cos 60. Now that is equal to under root 5v square by 4 plus this is 1 by 2. So 2v square by 4. Now if you take the LCM, 7v square by 4, that is root 7v by 2. So what is the speed of that given point? Root 7v by 2. Or in generally, if you want to take, you can take it as theta, then you can substitute. So but my suggestion, take for independent point whatever they will give, one velocity due to translational motion, one velocity due to rotational motion, find the angle and then substitute in the resultant vector form. Then you will get the final answer. Thank you.